Hello everyone, my name is Mikhail Kapustin. I'm a CTO and co-founder of Advanced Scientific Research Project. And today we are going to present a platform named GFS. And here I'm giving first sentence to my co-founder and biomedical officer of Advanced Scientific Research Projects, Valeria. Please explain us what is this project and what it's about.
Hello, we are the team of Advanced Scientific Research Projects, presenting the Global Forecasting System, GFS, a platform that generates highly accurate economic, geopolitical, and social forecasts. Unlike conventional models, which often take into account human decision-making and collective behavior, GFS integrates dream patterns and insights from the collective unconscious with AI post-processing and cross-references them against media data streams, stock market dynamics, animal behavior, and network status. This unique approach produces precise and timely forecasts, making GFS an indispensable resource for institutions that make critical high-stakes decisions.
Okay, thank you, Valeria. Now I will move to video presentation of our simulation.
Bergson said that an individual's memory cannot arise from his body. There must be something outside the body, but something in the individual that explains the reappearance of memory. Albwax calls this something a social framework. The concept of event predictability is a comprehensive integration of modern experimental data and theories about so-called parapsychological phenomena. Our research is to determine the hypothetical possibility of predicting events and the consequences of such forecasting based on the Bonchenko algorithm of his other works. To ensure a stable flow of dream data, we have developed and implemented a multilingual web application and a Telegram bot. These tools, available in many popular languages, allow users from different countries to record their dreams in a convenient format. At the moment, our team is actively working on transferring this infrastructure to other messengers, social networks, and mobile applications. We also provide an API and widget that can be easily integrated into any applications, websites, and web services. Also, the additional collection of information about abnormal animal behavior in special enclosures around the world allows you to analyze and anticipate any changes. Cameras and neural networks record animal behavior characteristic of the onset of a natural disaster. 2. We chose the news portal as the first external data source for the study, with which we signed a contract for direct transmission of news and access to their database. The portal is a licensed source that undergoes strict verification for the reliability of information and conducts independent investigations regarding news. We have also launched our own media outlet. The platform not only publishes the results of our research and news materials, but also plays a key role in verifying forecasts. The next source of data was the stock market. As predicted, predictions in a dream are often associated with stock prices and economic processes. To do this, we regularly requested up-to-date data on stock prices of various companies. The stock market was monitored daily, which allowed us to quickly analyze changes in the economy and correlate them with the plots of dreams. Step 3. Introduction of the event diary functionality. Since many people dream of events related to their lives, we have added the event diary functionality to our application. The study participants regularly recorded important events in their daily lives. Stage 4. Data aggregation and analysis. Using Kapustin's marker algorithm, information from dreams and other data sources was initially processed by extracting certain elements. The subsequent processing stage included comparing and checking the number of coincidences between events, places, and people in dreams and real ones. If several similar markers were found, Kapustin's AI dream matching model, based on artificial intelligence, tried to reconstruct events from both sleep and news. The model then noted any discrepancies, identifying events that were either absent in the dream. Users can prove the prophetic nature of their dreams by providing links to news or evidence from their lives. They can add additional materials to their dreams or event diaries, for example, by attaching a link to a news article that confirms the authenticity of the event. After verification, users receive bonuses. Denis Bonchenko and Mikhailo Kapustin are developing a special cryptocurrency called Kapusta. We reward Kapusta users, journalists, and researchers for their contributions to our system. In the near future, we plan to release this currency, which can be spent in our system to purchase various services. The currently formed lucid dreaming market, Bonchenko market, like the prediction market, is not only a place of predictive possibilities, but also in a possible scenario, an increase in the number of lucid dream practitioners who acquire certain predictions that influence the formation of these markets. With the exponential growth in the number of research and publications in the field of lucid dreaming, the volume of such information increases, which will then be exchanged in the market of states and predictions, influencing real markets.
Yes, thank you very much for watching this presentation. And the goal for this hackathon was to create a GFS model that is Theta powered. And what basically we're doing, we were extracting events from dreams and trying to match it to markets and industries. And then based on these predictions, we were extracting news and tickers, meaning shares. And also we created two versions. We have web application, we have bot, and I'm showing presentation of what we achieved. Here you can find that we are generating image, also you can get interpretation, also you can see which events occurred in your dreams and which markets it affected. And also we have the Telegram bot where we also implemented all needed and existing features. So thank you for presentation. Yeah, and I'm ready to answer your questions. But first, also, if you want, you can scan Arcanum bot and try it yourself to see if your dreams hold predictions. And I also need to mention that GFS is a competitor to Aladdin, made by BlackRock. Okay. Thanks for my team, and happy to be here on this scene, and we finally achieved it. Thank you, team.
Yeah, thank you very much. Awesome. Let's start this time from this.
Great, very cool demonstration. So, can you talk about in maybe kind of a higher view, how does it relate to a creator economy? So where you have a lot of individual creators, content creators that are, like you said, maybe in a dream framework or otherwise are creating these interesting and unique contents, and then how we'll be able to utilize this, and then at the same time, how can you avoid maybe a manipulation that somebody just because of some financial incentive or otherwise tries to, kind of cheat the system?
First of all, starting from manipulation, we have two possible solutions for this problem. First one is we are using PCI technologies, which really captures your brain activity, and we can check that some parts of your brain was activated, meaning you were in some state of consciousness that we accept. It's first solution. Second solution, we have a rating system for dreamers. As soon as they show more prophetic dreams, we start to upgrade the rating and start to value these dreams more. And also we're also looking for statistical correlation. Means that if we see some anomaly of dreams, like in some country a lot of people started to see some events, we start to do research if these events can come true. So we are analyzing mass media platforms, etc. And also we have a rewarding for our dreamers. We are providing them Kapusta money, cryptocurrency, which you are available to spend to go course, to buy like sleep devices, to read mass media platform, and recent interviews with journalists and scientists.
Thank you very much, Michael. Very nice presentation. I was thinking about like really about the roadmap. You're trying to. Do you have a roadmap actually? Because what I see a lot of data. I see a lot of data sources, and you said, and your presentation said that you were trying to get everything connected to make the predictions, etc. So, do you have a roadmap? How do you want to get everything connected to each other? Because it seems quite a lot.
Yeah, so we have a roadmap. We have a few milestones to achieve. As mentioned in presentation, we are analyzing all biological objects, including insects, birds, people. So as far as we are also from Kazakhstan, in Almaty, we have super strong earthquakes. And there they have farms where they are holding different types of animals and analyzing their behavior to predict earthquakes, because animals are living from city before earthquakes. So, and it's open source data, we are collecting it. Also, we are inviting dreamers. We teach them how to dream, how to do it in group, meaning we are trying to leverage computing power of computer brains grouped to increase their computing power. We are providing them news to analyze, and we are leveraging their prediction power. So prediction for our brains is the most and the first important survival skill. And by analyzing your daily events like stocks, news, everything you read, so after sleep you can get a result of this process. Yeah.
Great. Are there any funds, investment firms already trading on this data? And if they are, what are the returns like?
So we are a small startup. We created a prototype to show. We also created research to show result that it can work. Today we created a prototype, but we are a startup. We are searching for findings, and of course we have a lot of other platforms like educational platform where you can study AI agents, LM agents, how to lucid dream, how to do low-level coding, and other biotechnology stuff. And also we have Dream Diary, where you are receiving currency, you can buy this currency, and we have mass media platform where we are selling subscription and all dream related products. So basically we are earning money by doing these services, but we are still searching for findings yet.
Okay, perfect. Then we will move on. Thank you first of all